What if I told you there's a forex robot with a live verified win rate above 90%? And it's not a coincidence, not cherry picked data, and it's not back tested fantasy. It's real money, a real account, independently verified on MyFX book right now. I know what you're thinking. Yeah, right. Every EA promises that. But here's the difference. I'm going to show you the proof in just a moment. And I'm Corey Ross from LeapFX. We've been building and marketing automated trading systems for almost 15 years. And Zone Hunter Robot is unlike anything we've ever released. Stick with me for the next few minutes. I'm going to show you exactly how it works, exactly what the verified numbers look like, and exactly why traders who have been burned by other EAs are calling this a game changer. LeapFX has been in the forex automation space for over 15 years. That's not a marketing number. That's over 15 years of real world experience watching EAs succeed, fail, and everything in between. We've built a reputation on one principle. We only release systems we'd stake our own money on. At LeapFX, every strategy is built for real markets, not fantasy. When advanced trade management techniques are used, they're supported by deep testing, intelligent risk controls, and built-in safeguards designed to protect capital. No blow-up bots, no demo-only illusions, just structured, real-world systems designed to last. That's the LeapFX standard, and Zone Hunter Robot represents that philosophy at its highest level. Here's something most EA vendors won't tell you. The majority of forex robots are either barely tested, selectively presented, or they fall apart the moment market conditions shift even slightly. And when you're staring at your terminal every day, wondering whether the next trade will be a winner or another painful stop out, that's not real trading. That's gambling with extra steps. A lot of EAs are built to look impressive for a short stretch. They rack up a string of wins or land a few oversized ones while quietly stacking risk in the background. Losses get buried in drawdown until one day the strategy breaks hard, weeks of steady gains erased in a single session, equity curves that resemble a roller coaster, and that constant question in the back of your mind, will this survive the next market move? Worse, many systems have no meaningful risk controls, no built-in failsafe, no circuit breaker, just a robot that keeps firing trades while your account takes the hit. If any of that feels familiar, that's exactly why we built this. Zone Hunter Robot was engineered around a completely different philosophy: win more often, protect what you've won, and let compounding do the rest. 1. A mean reversion strategy that actually works. Zone Hunter uses multi-time frame analysis with two precision technical indicators to identify when price has stretched too far from equilibrium, genuinely overbought or oversold, not just near a moving average. It waits for exactly the right moment, then trades the natural snapback. The result, a verified win rate above 90%. 2, a recovery factor of 12. That's exceptional. The recovery factor measures how much profit the system generates for every dollar of maximum drawdown. Anything above 8 is considered excellent in this industry. Zone Hunter sits at 12 to 50% above that benchmark. That means smooth, controlled growth with limited risk exposure. 3, built-in failsafe protection. You set the maximum loss threshold you're comfortable with, and Zone Hunter enforces it automatically. No second guessing, no hope trading through a bad session. The robot cuts losses at exactly your limit and protects your account every single day. 4, automatic risk scaling. Set your preferred risk level once. Zone Hunter dynamically sizes every position accordingly. Conservative if that's your style, more aggressive if you want faster growth, but always within a defined safe envelope. It adapts to your account and your risk tolerance automatically. 5, consistent, disciplined execution. Roughly 300 trades per year, about 30 per month. Active enough to compound your account steadily. Selective enough to avoid overtrading and chasing setups. Zone Hunter trades less than most EAs and wins more. Let me show you the numbers, and I mean real numbers. In 10 years of historical testing, Zone Hunter grew a $10,000 account to over $1.1 million through bull markets, bear markets, and the 2020 pandemic crash. The equity curve is remarkably smooth with almost no losing months across that entire decade. On a live verified account on MyFX book, independently tracked, third party verified, Zone Hunter is maintaining a 90% plus win rate and nearly 150% profit in less than a year, with the account still growing. You can see this account yourself. The link is on this page below. Real money, real trading, nothing hidden. This is the proof most EA vendors hope you don't ask for. We lead with it. When you pick up Zone Hunter Robot today, here's what's included: the fully pre-configured Zone Hunter software, optimized settings from years of live testing, ready to deploy on MT4 or MT5, a complete step-by-step setup guide. Even if you've never installed an EA before, we walk you through every single step. Free lifetime updates. As markets evolve, we evolve the system. You get every improvement automatically. Expert customer support. Our team knows this system inside and out. If you ever get stuck, we're there. Broker and VPS recommendations. We'll point you toward the optimal setup to make sure Zone Hunter performs exactly as designed, and you're completely protected. Download Zone Hunter Robot, run it on a demo or live account for up to 30 days. If you're not satisfied for any reason, just send us an email and you'll get a full refund. No hoops, no arguments. We take the risk so you don't have to. Look, I know you've probably seen EAs make big promises before, so let me make this simple. Don't take my word for it. Take the MyFX book data's word for it. 90% plus win rate, over 150% live account profit in under a year, 30-day money back guarantee. You can get Zone Hunter Robot today on a 1-year license or a lifetime license. Pay once, get every update forever. Either way, you're covered by our 30-day guarantee, and you're getting a system that's been verified by real money and independent third parties. Click the button at the bottom of the page to get started. Let's get you set up. I'll see you on the inside.